Hello everyone, you're watching Newegg TV. I'm Jennifer, and today I'm going to give you an overview of the new RAZER Blackwidow Ultimate 2014 edition, where the differences are underneath. On the surface, the new Blackwidow Ultimate 2014 edition looks just like the previous version, featuring the same width of 18.72 inches, a height of 6.74 inches, and a depth of 0.79 inches, or 475 millimeters by 171 millimeters by 20 millimeters respectively. Additionally, the weight is coming in at 3.31 pounds or 1,500 grams. On the top, the keys feature RAZER's typeface, and the bottom include rubberized feet and retractable legs. The keys are also individually backlit with green LEDs that have multiple brightness settings. You get the same fully programmable keys with 10-key anti-ghosting rollover, macro key features when accompanied by RAZER's Synapse 2.0 software or on the fly, gaming mode option, and a host of media controls clearly marked across the top. In all the familiar places, you will find the USB pass-through and audio out and mic in jacks. What is really new about the Blackwidow are the new switches. That's right, there's a new green switch on the block, and before you go thinking that it's just a Cherry MX Blue clone, let me break it down for you. The new switches were created specifically for gaming versus the old Blueies that were created for typing. Great, Jenny, but what does it mean? Well, it means that where blue switches featured an actuation point of 2.2 millimeter, the RAZER switch is set at 1.9 millimeters. Additionally, the tactile bump that accompanies the clicky sound have been moved closer together and closer to the actuation point, so that all three things seem to happen nearly at the same time. So you press the key, hear the click, feel the bump, and the action is happening for you in-game. Of course, this Blackwidow will include your USB and headphone and microphone connectors in gold plate, as well as the thick braided cable from the previous model. You will also be getting your documentation packet, which will include your quick start guide, but please head over to RAZER's website for downloading the Synapse 2.0 software. Alright, well, I hope you've enjoyed this overview of the RAZER Blackwidow Ultimate 2014 edition. If you haven't already, please like it and subscribe to the rest of our YouTube channels. Until next time, I'm Jennifer, and thank you for watching Newegg TV.